Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this section of the course, we're going to look at the depreciation schedule. Here we are going to project the depreciation using the straight line method of depreciation. So the straight line method charges a uniform depreciation throughout the useful life of an asset. So the simple formula for straight line method of depreciation is you take the cost, you subtract the scrap value, and then you divide by the estimated useful life of an asset. So that's what we are going to do in this section. So to do that, we are going to compute depreciation for the property, plant and equipment, and for the CAPEX that is in the cash flow statement. So here we are assuming that the useful life for the property, plant and equipment starting from 2023 in fact is 10, and for the CAPEX is 15. So here we just copy that throughout. So we have to turn this into blue since it's hard coded. So let's just apply our blue font color here, and here we have to link. So we are saying the end of year property, plant and equipment balance for 2022 will be the beginning balance in 2023. So we will go to the balance sheet and link the 2022 property, plant and equipment balance, which is this one, and that's it. And then we can come to the cash flow statement and link the capital expenditure. So here we can link this figure here, and then we can copy it to the right throughout like this. So now we are ready to compute our depreciations for both the property, plant and equipment and capital expenditure. So here all we need to do is we have to divide this, since we don't have a scrap value, we have to divide this property, plant and equipment figure. So before we do that, we press F4 to just anchor it, and then we divide it. We press F4 once more, and then we copy the formula to the right, and then we do the same for CAPEX for 2023. We divide it by 15, we anchor, so we copy the formula to the right. We do the same for this figure here for CAPEX, and we divide here, and then we copy the formula to the right, and then we come here again, we do the same, and we copy the formula to the right. We come here, we do the same, and then we copy the formula to the right, and then we come here, we do the same here, and then we copy the formula to the right. But here we are done. So we just need to add a border line here. So to add a border, top border, we just highlight that, and then we press Alt HBP on our keyboard, and then we use the sum function to add all these depreciations, and then we copy that to the right, just like that. So here this is total depreciation. So now we need to link this depreciation into the income statement, and then we link from the income statement to the cash flow statement. So let's go back to the income statement. So income statement, we just say we want it to be a negative. So here we scroll all the way down to the depreciation schedule and look for the 2023 depreciation, and then we copy that to the right, just like that, and then we ignore this error, and we come down to the cash flow statement, and here obviously we need it to be a positive. So here we turn that into a positive, and we copy that to the right. So cool. So now we need to work on the changes in working capital items. So let's just work on that for now. So in the next section, we're going to focus on the operating working capital schedule. So see you in the next section.